Most users of Vectorworks are familiar with how to insert windows or doors into walls and throughout a plan. Many, however, are not aware of the multitude of different ways this can be done, and how much it can reduce the amount of time spent drawing these objects. The first and most common placement mode is Standard Insertion Mode, which works very much the same for both window and door objects. It's the default mode on the window and door tools, and the first mode available in the toolbar. This mode allows you to simply click any point along a wall or anywhere in the drawing, then to set the facing and orientation of the plugin object. The second mode for both of these tools is Offset Insertion Mode, which places the object at a predetermined distance from a desired reference point. This reference point is normally the end of a wall, the center or side of another object in a wall, or any other snapping point you select. To set the offset distance, you'll first click on the reference point, then click and set the orientation of the door. Afterwards, you'll be prompted to enter the desired offset and allowed to choose the point on the window or door you wish the offset to be measured from. If you've already placed an object within a wall and wish to offset it without having to recreate or redraw it, you can use Set Position in the Object Info palette with the object selected. This function works the same as offset insertion, but will offset an already placed object inside of a wall instead of drawing a new one. Another method involves a tool that would appear to be unrelated to inserting windows and doors in any way, the eyedropper tool. To illustrate what the eyedropper tool does with plugin objects, we will use two doors configured very differently, a garage door and a standard door. Place the eyedropper tool and set it to Pickup Attributes mode. In the eyedropper preferences, make sure that Plugin Parameters is selected, so the tool will not only pick up class and layer information, but the settings of the doors as well. In Pickup mode, select the door you wish to take the attributes from, then change the mode to Put Down, and click on the door you wish to apply the other door's settings to. Notice the door becomes an exact replica of the door we took the settings from initially, without having to delete and replace another object. The last method we will discuss is primarily used for windows. Objects and walls behave differently when used in conjunction with the duplicate array commands. If we have an object placed in a wall already and selected, we can go to the Edit, Duplicate Array, and duplicate that object along the wall, with each duplicate automatically inserting itself into the same wall. You'll notice when you use the command that it will display the direction you wish the duplication to travel along the wall object. For straight walls, the arrow is straight. For round walls, the arrow curves to show a more accurate representation of the path the duplicated objects will follow. Not only can duplicate array be used in top plan view for straight and even copies of an object, but if given a Z offset in the duplicate array dialog box, the object can take an angled path up or down the wall in 3D, with each subsequent duplication moving up or down in elevation by the sec increment.